your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers.
Zurich is the largest city in Switzerland with a population of over 400,000 inhabitants. 30% of the city's population is made up of foreign nationals from 172 different countries, all of whom make up Zurich's multicultural character. Zurich's old town, Altstadt, is the historic heart of the city that beats on both sides of the Limmat River. The city of Zurich is made up of 12 districts, of which Zurich Old Town is part of District 1. Here's an interesting fact. Visitors and residents of Zurich might never want to buy a bottle of water, given that the city of Zurich has 1,224 public water fountains. Zurich Old Town has magnificent guild houses, imposing churches, historic squares, restaurants and shops in hidden-away places nestled alongside each other. The Old Town is a cultural, social, and historical melting pot. The focal point of Zurich and a favorite playground for tourists and locals is the Long Lake Zurich. The entire shore is lined with promenades and parks where locals catch the sun, jog, picnic, and swim in the lake. One of my favorite ways to enjoy the lake is on the many cruise boats from which you can see beautiful views of the Glarus Alps. The Quality of Living Survey consistently rates Zurich as one of the top 5 cities to live in the world. Located in an alpine setting at the northwestern end of Lake Zurich, the city stretches out between two forested chain of hills about 60 kilometers from the foothills of the Alps. The highest point in the city is 871 meters at Uetliberg, which is Zurich's very own mountain, and the lowest point is 392 meters at the Limmat River. The Karlsturm is one of the two towers of Zurich's landmark, the Grossmünster Church. You can climb up 187 stairs to enjoy splendid views from the panorama platform over Zurich's Old Town and the lake. The bank of River Limmat in the Old Town is also home to three most popular churches in Zurich: St. Peter's Church, which has the largest clock face in Europe, Frommonster Church and Grossmünster Church. If you enjoyed watching our video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.